All right, this is number 121, problem solving. And you've got this figure, and it's a door. And you've got these, it's surrounded by 1 foot brass trim. And they tell you this is 8, and they tell you this is 6. And we know that from here to here is 1, and from here to here is 1. So that means this has to be 4. 4, 5, 6. And we know, what else do we know? We know from here to here is 1, and from here to here is 1. So, what? And we know this is also 1, because we know all that trim is 1. So, 1, 1, 1, that's 3. So that means this distance and this distance must be 5. And if you divide that by half, that means you've got 5 halves here and 5 halves here. 2.5 both places, right? And what are we trying to find? If the trim is uniformly 1 foot wide, what fraction of the door's front surface area is covered by the trim? What fraction? Well, what's the total area? The total area is 6 times 8. 6 times 8 is 48. Okay? So we need to figure out what the area is of the 2 squares. Well, they're not squares, but the area of those 2. And subtract that off from 48. And what that will give me will be just the trim. So let's find the area of this top rectangle. And of course, that's length times width. That's 4 times 5 halves. 2 we're going to 4 2 times. That's 10, right? And of course, this bottom one is the same thing. So that's also 10. So that's going to give me 20. And the total area is 48 minus 20 would be 28. So 28 over 48. And then 28 over 48, let's see, 4 we're going to both of those, 4 we're going to 7 times, and 4 we're going to 48 12 times. So do we see 7/12? 7/12 is your answer.